Hello and welcome to the online video for number 63 Coldbath Road. This is a delightful 3-bedroom, 3-storey property with a good sized garden to rear as well. Okay, and then moving into the property, we have the first reception room here at the front, where we have wooden flooring and then a bay window to the front aspect. This property is in lovely condition throughout. As we go through to the second reception room, which then opens up into the kitchen area. There's also a door leading out to the rear garden. And within the kitchen, we have an integrated cooker, gas hob, and washing machine as well. And then further along, we have the ground floor bathroom with wash basin, bath, and WC. Again, all in lovely condition. And then there's a cupboard which houses the gas boiler. And then we have the door in the corner, which leads to the stairs, which then head up onto the first floor. Okay, then onto the first floor, and we have the landing here. We can see the stairs going up onto the second floor. We have 2 bedrooms and the bathroom on this floor, starting with the first bedroom here at the front of the property. So a really nice size double room. And moving through to the shower room, good size shower there at the end. And a Velux window providing plenty of natural light. And then the next bedroom, which benefits here from an aspect to the rear. Okay, and then moving up on to the second floor where we have the main bedroom. And this room has a window to the front aspect, as well as having a Velux window to the rear as well. Okay, and then just heading outside, and we have a decked area here, which steps down to the main lawned garden, which has hedged and fenced boundaries, and also some nice leafy surroundings. And then just looking back at the property, and where we can see it just at the back here over the bathroom, the owners are replacing the roof just on that part of the house. And that concludes the online viewing. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do contact the office as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.